if we can see where it went. There it is. Can you hear the spaceship noise? Can't see any more cicadas flying around that we could get on video. Walk over here and maybe we can get a smushed one on video. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's not smushed. He's just sitting there. I don't even know if he's still alive. You gonna touch him? Oh, there's one that just flew by. Oh, he just landed on the tree. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Let's get him.
Look at him crawling up the tree. Freaky little guy.
He's climbing up there.
You don't have any friends on the tree. What are you doing on the tree? All by yourself. Ooh! I don't like it when they fly around. There is another one in the tree. It's up on the leaf. Maybe it's his girlfriend.
Yeah, maybe we're just going to meet there.